So today we're here at Ashwood at Cadence by Woodside Homes. Now we're going to be touring one of my new favorite model homes. It's called the Oakley, so don't go anywhere. Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new to my channel, if this is your very first time tuning in, my name is Abella with eXp Realty. I'm a local realtor here in Las Vegas. Now what we do on my channel is we go over all the new construction communities here in Las Vegas. So if this is something you're interested in, if you're looking to move, buy or sell to Las Vegas, do me a favor guys, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the notification button. That way you stay up to date with all the new construction communities here in Las Vegas. Hey, what's up everyone? So welcome to Ashwood at Cadence by Woodside Homes. Now we are here in Cadence. Now just to give you guys an idea of where we're located, Cadence is a master plan community that's about 25 minutes east of the Las Vegas Airport and Strip. Now this community is great for families because they offer so many amenities. They have splash pads, they have parks, they have trails, they have like an amphitheater, they have an Olympic-sized swimming pool. So great community for families. With all those amenities said, the HOA is $55 a month and there is no sit-in lids, okay? But anyways, as far as like this community itself, they offer 3 different floor plans and I will have those floor plans on the screen for you. They have 3 different floor plans. They're all going to range between 2,441 square feet all the way up to 2,608 square feet. So it's going to be the Oakley, the Cedar, and the Aster floor plans. Now, guys, when you see the base price, just know that the lot premiums and upgrades are not included. So if you want to actually calculate what the total is, the average lot premium here is going to be about $7,500 to $10,000. Usually buyers are putting in about 10 to 15% of the base price in upgrades, okay? Now with this community, they offer both lots in case you want to build from lot up, but they also offer move-in ready homes. Move-in ready homes is obviously it's done, it's good to go. Now the builder picked out all the options. Now if you're looking for the best deal, I would definitely consider one of the move-in homes just because, you know, the builders are most motivated to sell those. So they have 67 home sites in this community. Okay, the lot dimensions is 45 by 100, so about 4,500 lot square footage. That's about it. Let's get started with this tour. Welcome everyone to the Oakley floor plan. Now this is going to be a 2-story home, 3 to 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bath, and base price is $499,990. Now out the door, including like lot premium and upgrades, you're looking at about the high 500s to low 600s, okay? And again, you can build from lot up. They also have some move-in ready homes. But if you're looking for a better deal, definitely with the move-in ready homes. So, with the front, you're gonna have 3 different elevations that you could choose from. So you're gonna have like a Spanish colonial, Tuscan, desert, contemporary. Okay. You have this nice front porch over here. The paver driveway is included along with the desert landscaping. Okay, so you'll have pavers right here as well. Now I just stepped inside this house for my first time just a second ago. It's a really nice floor plan. I actually really like this floor plan. I would definitely move into something like this. I think they utilize the space really well. Now, a great thing about this community and just Woodside compared to other builders, they have really nice standard features, okay? So here at this community, and a lot of Woodside communities, you're gonna have 9-foot ceilings all throughout. So first floor and second floor. Okay, so right here, you're gonna have your powder room. So you got your optional cabinets, optional countertop as well. Now, when you're looking like at the accent walls, that's not going to be, that's not even a choice, even if you wanted to build from lot up. Okay, that's just for, you know, the model purposes, marketing. Now, the thing that's really nice about like as far as like the paint goes too, is you're gonna have the two-tone eggshell finish all throughout the house. Now, most builders, when it comes to paint, they'll only have like the eggshell finish in the wet areas, but out here, they're gonna have it all throughout. Okay, so the difference between flat paint, which is what a lot of builders put in the non-wet areas, gets dirty really easily. But if you have like eggshell finish, it's cool. Like you can clean it up fairly quickly. But yeah, look at this first floor, very open. Some nice space here. Okay, plenty of cabinets, great entertaining area. So far I'm loving the way they utilize the first floor. Okay. Now, as far as the garage goes, this is going to be the sales office, but the garage, it's going to have something that's pretty cool about Woodside is they offer an upgrade, structural upgrade. It's usually 22 feet deep, but you could have it 24 feet deep if you'd like. You're also going to get a water softener lube, okay, and then a tankless water heater. Now these cabinets, I'm not too sure if so the color of the cabinets is optional, but the size, you're gonna get the 42-inch, that is standard. And they also include quartz countertops, but just not this type of quartz here. Okay. Now, as far as appliances is concerned, refrigerator and washer and dryer are not included. I love the lights underneath the cabinets. And also too, I love it when they have like really nice quartz and they actually, they take it higher for the backsplash, that same quartz material. I think it's a really clean look. Okay, so really spacious kitchen. So you have this optional black undermount sink. I think this is the GE dishwasher, so this should be standard right here. Okay, we got the oven, stovetop, the GE microwave. So I do believe that these the GE appliances that I just showed you are standard. Okay, now you're gonna have a pretty good sized pantry right here. So walk-in pantry, plenty of space. For some of you, I know that's still not enough space. Okay. Here's your dining room area. See, I love that you have plenty of windows here. So you got 1, 2, you have this nice slider, and then you have 3 windows right here. Now this slider is standard. Now you're gonna have a couple of structural upgrades, so you can actually, there's 2 types of structural upgrades, and they're both, you could have like 2 different types of like stackable slider. Okay. Now the covered patio is included. So whenever you get like the covered patio, you're gonna have pavers just like this underneath it. And then everything out here is just gonna be a dirt lot. So remember, when you move into your new build home, the front landscaping is gonna be included, but not the back. So the back, you're gonna have about a year from the HOA to do the back. So yeah, this would be a dirt lot. And the way it works too is when you move into your house, you're gonna have to submit a ARC application. In that ARC application, you're gonna have to submit a drawing of the backyard, which your landscaper could do, and then you submit it to the HOA, and the HOA will either approve it or tell you need to make some modifications. Okay. Cool. But yeah, we'll go ahead and head to the second floor. Okay, let me see here. But yeah, also included, you're gonna have like a video doorbell that will be included as well. Okay, so this is the coat closet. This is gonna be where your smart panel box is. Again, that's where they connect the router and the modem. Oh, see, look at that. So this is gonna be your coat closet. As you can see, they utilize the space underneath the stairs really well. Okay. Nice. All right. So yeah, let's head to the second floor. As far as the stair rails, now, one thing that's nice is with Woodside, I believe you're building from lot up. I think you're gonna have the mission style railing that is included, but if you want like a different color, or they have different railing options as well. Okay, that's what you see when you're up here. Again, you're gonna have 9-foot ceilings on the second floor too, so. Okay. So you have your loft area. You're gonna have 2 bedrooms, one right there, right here, and then you're gonna have your primary bedroom this way. Now, if you're building from lot up, you can choose to have this loft be a 4th bedroom. That is if you need the additional 4 bedrooms, but if you don't, I mean, a lot of buyers like to have the loft up here just because it opens up the space and it looks really nice. Just some breathing room upstairs. Okay, so we'll head to the laundry room. Okay, so we got the optional upper cabinets. Now included, you're gonna get the base cabinets with like a quartz countertop. Okay, I believe the sink is optional as well. Cool, again, washer and dryer is not included. Oh yeah, and then as far as flooring is concerned, okay, I didn't mention it while I was downstairs, but the standard flooring is you're gonna have like an 18 by 18 ceramic tile, which is only gonna be in the wet areas, and then you're gonna have carpet all throughout the house. Okay, so usually buyers will remove carpet completely from the first floor. That's a pretty common upgrade. Yeah, this is a very spacious room as well. This is the guest bedroom. You can see this is gonna be a full-size bed. Plenty of space. So you can see this is what it looks like here in Cadence. So you're gonna see plenty of mountains that surround Cadence. And these are gonna be the empty lots. Okay, so yeah, they have they're still building plenty more homes over here. Also, regarding the house too, you're gonna have 2 hose bibs. You also have a barbecue gas stub, I believe, in the backyard as well. Okay, so this is gonna be the guest bathroom. Okay, dual sinks. You got the quartz countertop. Now all the cabinets are gonna be soft close as well. So see, Woodside has really, really nice standard features. Okay. So we got the walk-in shower. I believe this is upgraded right here. Okay, so this is the other guest bedroom. Okay, nice. They had this as like a nice working office space here. And then you have your walk-in closet. Okay, it looks like that's where you're gonna have your attic access right up there. Okay. Okay. So we are here at the primary bedroom. Now that's beautiful. You have your own balcony. That is optional, okay, having the balcony there. But you will definitely have the covered patio downstairs, but you know, you'd have to upgrade if you want the balcony. Okay. Oh, also about the garage too. You also have a 40 amp electrical vehicle charger setup ready in the garage. So, you know, this Woodside Homes does prepare you for if you thinking about setting up a electrical vehicle charger. Nice. Okay. Cool, guys. But yeah, if you're watching this video and you are interested in new construction homes, you're thinking about visiting a community for the very first time, do me a huge favor, guys. Give me a call, shoot me a text. I would be honored to go with you on your very first visit and help you out through the process. But if you're working with a realtor, that's okay too. Just make sure your realtor knows that you're interested in new construction. Have them go with you. One thing you don't want to do is just don't go by yourself, because once you go by yourself and you meet the builder agent, they're going to ask you for your name, your phone number, email. Once they have that, they won't let you have representation down the road. And the only problem with that is the builder agents look after the builder's best interests, and we look after your best interests, okay? So we're always looking for ways to negotiate for you, to hold the builders accountable, walk you through the process. So definitely important to get yourself some representation. Now this configuration right here will be optional. The standard bathroom setup here in these homes is you're actually going to have the large walk-in spa shower, which in most builders that is upgraded, but that's going to be the standard. But if you want like a tub and like a walk-in shower, that is upgraded. All right. Yeah, guys, this is a beautiful home. I really like the layout. Okay, so here's the walk-in closet. And yeah, I think that is about it. Cool, guys. Yeah, let me know what you guys think of the Oakley floor plan. Again, if you guys have any questions at all, you know, don't hesitate to reach out to me. I'd love to help you guys out. But yeah, thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.